Hey guys, welcome to CodeDash Live. My name is Minora and I am a mentor at Codeyoung. I'm thrilled to be a part of this event and to make one of my favorite games with you all today. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so we'll start off by uploading our sprites. So we go to upload a sprite button here. Go to downloads, that's where all my sprites are saved. T-Rex, open. I'm actually going to change the size for the T-Rex and then upload my other sprite. Downloads. Okay. Alright, I'm going to reduce the size for my cactus as well. Make it a size 30. Now for a third sprite, I'm actually going to draw it. So go to Sprite, Paint. You can move these buttons around to choose the exact shade that you want. I'm happy with gray. I'm going to scroll this down and start from this corner and go all the way to the other corner and make sure there's no gap or any outline. Perfect. Now we'll go back to code and start by coding the T-Rex. Okay, so we'll start the code now. When the green flag is clicked, I'm just going to zoom this out. Now I actually want the T-Rex to be in the corner, left corner, right here. Okay, and then go to, we need to position the T-Rex like we just did, and also you need to make sure that this number after you've positioned your T-Rex and these two are a match. Okay, they're a match, so we can move to the next step and add a forever block. And now we need to add a costume for our T-Rex. So we'll go to costumes. The costume is a variation. So I'm going to upload another costume where the T-Rex is jumping. So go to downloads, T-Rex. Perfect. Alright, so I'm just going to name them. So T-Rex 1. And then the one where the legs are up, one leg is up, is T-Rex 2. Alright, so I'm going to start off with sprite 1. We go to switch costume to T-Rex 1. Wait, and then switch costume to T-Rex 2. Okay, so the T-Rex is supposed to jump when the cactus is coming towards the T-Rex. Alright, so we are done with the first set of codes for our T-Rex. Now let's move to the second sprite. Okay, so we want the cactus to be on the opposite end, like this corner. Okay, now we are going to start with the cactus code. So when the green flag is clicked, we also need to position the cactus. So when the green flag is clicked, forever, go to, we've already positioned the cactus in the corner, so we can just drag this code and put it here. Yes, they are a match. Alright, and now we want the cactus to actually glide towards the T-Rex. So glide. Since it's moving towards the left, we're going to add a minus sign. 233. Alright, now let's check. Perfect. Alright, so now let's go back to the T-Rex. T-Rex is actually meant to jump. So now we are going to work on the next set of codes for the T-Rex. Alright. So when the green flag is clicked, okay, let me just move this one a little bit up here. Alright, so we are actually going to work with 3 options. So when the green flag is clicked, forever, then add a condition called if and then. Now since we are working with 3 different options, so I'm going to drag this OR block from operators. Okay, so since we have only 3 options and we have 4 boxes, I'm going to merge them together. So my first option is when key space is pressed. Okay, so whenever you press the space bar, your T-Rex is going to jump. Then my second option is the up arrow. I'm just going to merge them together. Then my third option is the mouse down. Okay, so these are my 3 options. I'm just going to drag and put this right here. And I'm going to repeat this 10 times. And we want the T-Rex to jump up, so we go to motion and say change Y by 10 and then add a weight block. So 0.0001. Alright, let's check. Great, so it's working with all the keys. Great. Now we want the T-Rex to come back to the line. So I'm going to add another repeat block. Change Y by -8 because it's meant to come down. -8 or -10. So add a minus sign. And then add another weight block. 0.0001. Actually need to move this around here. Great. Oh, that works well. Alright. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we need to add a game over backdrop. So every time the cactus touches the T-Rex, the game is over. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to make a game over sprite and then add the codes. So you go to sprite, paint. I'm going to go with black. Click on the text button and you can change the font style. Excel, game over. Just going to make it look a little bit big. Alright. Okay, now we don't want this game over to be on our screen, so we need to hide this part for now. So when the green flag is clicked, we go to looks and add the hide block. Okay, we don't need this right now, so we are going to hide this part for now. Okay, now let's go back to the T-Rex and add the next set of codes. Alright, so when the green flag is clicked, forever, then another condition, if and then, if touching the cactus, so if the T-Rex is touching the cactus, add another weight block, 0.01, and then we'll broadcast a message that says game over. Broadcast message, new message, game over. Alright, so we'll go back to this game over block again and add the rest of the codes. So now when I receive game over, show, then you can see the sprite, the game over sprite on the screen. And when I receive game over, stop all. Stop all. All right. Okay, so it's working. Now we'll do the last set of codes and add the score block. So every time you jump over a cactus, you get a point. Okay, so you can add a score block. So we'll say when the green flag is clicked. Okay. When the green flag is clicked, whatever. Oh, wait. Okay, let's add a variable called score. Large readout, and then change score by 1. Okay, so when you click here, let's see if that works. Alright, let me try again. Okay, I think we can reduce the size of the T-Rex, but otherwise it's working fine. So every time you jump over the T-Rex, you will get a point here. Okay, and if you touch the T-Rex like this, then the game is going to be over. Alright, so this is how you make the famous T-Rex game. I hope you guys try it out, and I'm sure it's going to be a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun making this game. In fact, it's one of my favorite games, and I spent so much time playing this game, and I hope you guys would do that as well. Alright, so this is how you make the T-Rex game. It's one of my favorite games, and I love playing this game. So that's it for today. I hope you guys had fun, and I hope to see you guys soon. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed the game as much as I did. For more details on our courses, click on the link below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.